This November, the 2006 election, the highest stakes ever. Republicans and Democrats fiercely fighting for control of Congress. A battle for our nation's future. And you know no one's gonna cover every second like Chris Matthews.
Do you believe that 4 out of 5 members of Congress are crooks?
Are there any limits to the president's powers, Commander-in-Chief?
Every race.
Keep your eye on these guys. Watch them closely.
All the debates.
They want power, and they'll do anything to keep it.
A different kind of election reporting and insider analysis.
What do you mean, probably? Help me out here.
Backed by the most respected political team on television and 3 of the most powerful words in politics.
Let's play hardball.
Chris Matthews.
Sheer heat-seeking politics.
Decision 2006 Hardball style. Only on MSNBC. Sponsored by Liberty Mutual. Responsibility. What's your policy?